How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm out here with Vang, my brother Danny, so I can't take these too serious, but we are going to do a overnight challenge to fish for some catfish. Our goal is to catch a flathead, just one, we'll be happy. Right now, as you can see, I got them to work. We're gonna bridge for a bullhead or bluegill. Danny's sinking more in the middle for a bullhead or bluegill. We need some live bait. We have cut bait with us, but this is like part of the challenge, to catch a live bait, throw a live bluegill or bullhead out there into the Fox River and catch a big flathead. So yeah, we're gonna try to make this happen, so stick around. It should be fun. We're gonna sleep over, do some overnight fishing, and then we're gonna do something else, which I don't want to spoil for the video, so just stick around. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys tonight. Stay tuned. Yeah, things on. Don't lose it. Yes, this is what we want, guys. There he goes. Oh yeah, good job, Vang. Yeah. All right, let's unhook it. Come on. I'm scared.
Just kidding.
I'm scared. Got one. Yeah. And we got our bluegill. I guess we'll keep it, right? It's not too big, but it'll make a good cut bait for later. You just never know. He's pretty tiny. We're gonna let him go. Ouch, ouch. Okay. See ya. Again, we are using green lantern. Warm. There you go. Just throw it on the ice jig. That's what I had in my car. I don't know why. Just has some sitting there. Come on, Danny. Yeah, the mouth is small too. Ooh, that's so nice. Actually got some real nice. Oh, it's a rock bass. I mean, it's a largemouth. Not a rock bass. We caught like 10 largemouth today already. Yeah, that's a pretty fish. Largemouth. Okay. Come on, let's do this. Just need one. The sun's going, yes. Got one. What is that? Oh, that's a perfect size bluegill. That's what we're looking for right there. Yeah. This is actually a really good flathead size. So, you guys don't know, flatheads love bluegills, right? If I lose it. That's what it is right there. Danny got one. So, what'd you get, Danny? Little perch? That works.
Perchy worgy. Well, he's been having it.
Oh, he's a goner too, but it's okay. Take him as cut bait.
Oh, the junior's a goner.
Alright, so we just made it out to the secret spot here, hopefully, with these two fools. Danny's gonna be my cameraman while I show you guys how we rig this up, alright? What I'm gonna do, we're here for the one and only big flatheads, right? If you guys watched my video in the past, I caught one here that was around like 20-25 pounds. That was pretty decent, wasn't too bad. I caught off a crappie head. So we got ourselves our cut bait here. I'm gonna throw a live one in there, and I'm gonna throw a cut bait out there. So let's see if we can catch one here. So what you want to do is you want to trim the fish, right? Trim the bluegill, trim all the spikes, the tail, and the whatever that's pretty much pokey. And hopefully we can get it in here. Okay, there we go. We'll throw this one in there. Okay, this one's pretty decent. So we'll, like I said, if you have scissors, great. Today we don't have scissors, so I'm gonna go ahead and just trim the fins here. That way it gives that flathead that confidence to eat the bait. Just trim like that, plus it allows a little blood to come out. You don't want to trim too deep. Scale the spikes off. That way trim all that off, right there too. Trim all the spikes. Go. There you go. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on. I'm actually gonna throw it on this one because I want the bait to suspend a little bit. See here, we're gonna hook it right behind the fin here, right behind the back, you can say, right by the spine. Okay. Look at that juicy bait. You see that? That's what you wanted to do down there. I'm gonna go ahead and chuck this thing in there. Wait for the waves to pass. gonna move that stick too. That stick. Alright, here we go. We got ourselves a 3-ounce weight. Slide it in there real quick. Just like that, okay? That wasn't too good of a cast, but I'm gonna leave it. If he's down there, he'll come in. So now we wait. So what we got going on here? We got a cut bait, right? And then we got a live bluegill sitting in the bottom of the depths there. Our goal is to catch a flathead. I know there's tons of channel out here, but I want to catch that big beast, right? There's 3 of us. Hopefully we can find one. So stick around. We're gonna take turns like shifting the camera. Danny's gonna catch one. I'll catch one. And Dan catch one. We're gonna hang around here for a little bit. Then we're gonna go to where we're gonna camp out by Rainbow Park. Hopefully we catch 1 or 2 there. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it up, wait, keep it up, keep up with it, keep up with it. Oh, tighten the thing more, tighten the thing more. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Big, go close. Come on, big. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. I think it's a flathead. I don't know. Is it down? Spinning? Come close. That's a flathead, dude. Oh, that's a channel.
Nice.
Oh man.
No channel.
The channel, nice. Whew, I was scared, dude.
I was scared too.
This was talking really hard. Nice. It's a decent one. There you go. Thanks first baitcaster
I'm a
channel. We thought it was a flathead. Sorry, we were freaking out because the way I was dogging it, but it's just a nice pretty channel. Oh, good hook set. You see that? Dang. You can turn on the light if you want. Look how clean that is. Look. Look how clean that fish is. Not the bottom part, but. Alright, let's get a release. And these things they're pretty tough, so I'm just gonna toss them back. I don't want to get wet. Woo! Good job, dude.
Yeah.
You got the feel of it now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Get him help. Rip him. Got him. Get him up. Tighten the drink, dude. Tighten the drink.
It is tight.
No, it's not.
It is tight. It's a small one.
Yeah?
It's a small one.
You sure it's tight, bro?
Yeah, it's tight.
Nice.
Say, let's go too.
Oh, he's a fighter. Holy cow. Boy, Danny's on. Keep him down, yeah. Keep Roger down. Keep down. Keep up, keep up, keep up. There you go. Let him do his thing, yeah. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, Rots it down, yep. Let him fight now. Let him run. What is it? What is it? Oh! See? Rots it down. Told you.
I did do rotted down.
Rots it down.
That's how I got loose.
No. You gotta keep up.
Oh man.
It's alright.
Sorry.
Good job, dude.
Oh, well, almost.
Alright guys, so we made it out here to Oshkosh with my buddy Vang. Vang, where are you? Stop running away.
Hello.
So we're here with Vang. Danny's the cameraman. We're gonna go ahead and throw some cut bait and some like live perch and bluegills that we caught over by the Rainbow Park on the other side of it basically. And hopefully we catch a flathead or 2. Stay tuned. We're gonna get the baits out there and have some fun. He's on. Yank it, yank it. Yep, real. Fast.
Fast.
Is he on?
I think so.
Yep, he's on.
Yep, he's
Nice.
on.
Yeah, he's on. Nice. Is he on?
I think it's off now.
Keep going.
Keep on.
Don't stop.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is
It's
he
too
on?
slow. I think it's off.
Oh, he's off, dude. Dude, Vang just smacked a nice walleye. It's a keeper walleye too. I mean,
Yeah.
there's no size limit here, but check it out.
Nice. Ooh.
That's a nice walleye. It'd be
Nice.
going in a cooler.
Yep.
Good job. Now see, your mom wanted one.
Yep.
There you go.
Take one out.
Here, here's your fish, bro.
Oh,
Gill him.
how to
Show
hold
it to camera. Just get your finger through the gill.
Okay.
First gill.
Through this gill, yep.
This one.
Yep. Show it to the camera. He's good.
Right here. Oh, finally got a keeper for the year. All right. Nice.
Dude, that bluegill went down hard. See it? Come on, stay on. Please stay on. Did you see that?
No.
Rod bent real hard. Oh my gosh. The rod actually went down, guys. Jeez, that light.
I know, right?
He's on. Oh no! Nope, he wasn't on. I felt that. I felt to pull the bait.
Dang.
Okay, we got an idea now. I felt him pull the bait. No lie. On the live bluegill. Yep, all the scales are gone. All the scales are gone. Right. Oh, my heart was pounding, dude. And didn't I say that? I was like, let's not cast too far. Let's keep it by the structure. Sure enough. He's on. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. He's on. He's on. Oh my gosh. I'm just laying down. I fell asleep. It's a big fish.
Big net.
That's a big fish. Get the net. Get the net. I think it's a big fish. Oh my gosh. Look at him go. Oh, I fell asleep, guys. I fell asleep. He's pulling really hard.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a channel.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. It's a nice channel. Look at him go. Nice female. At least we got something.
Finally.
That's a big
Nice.
female. Holy cow.
All time. We got something. Good job, dude.
Oh my gosh, finally, guys. Yes.
Then we release the spectre.
Whoa.
Dude. Look how fast she is. Ooh. Chill, relax. Dude, I was still sleeping. You should just yank the freaking line out of my hand. Look at that fish. That's a beautiful fish. Holy cow. Shoot far? Yeah, shoot far. Look at that fish, guys. Oh my god. The weight has been brutal, but we got it done. Nice female off of the live bluegill. That was a flathead, but as soon as it started running real quick at me, I knew it was a channel. Look at a nice fish. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and release. You got pictures?
Yep.
Okay.
A whole bunch.
Alright, Dan, let's go release here.
I don't think it's that good, but.
That's a beautiful fish right there, guys. Nice fish. Don't worry, these fish are, they're raw. Just like that.
Alright.
Yes, finally. You on?
Yep.
I think it's a, oh my gosh. See the channel. I think it's a channel. There's a channel. Oh, I saw the bubbles. Whoa,
Oh, it's a nice
flathead.
flatty.
Whoa, yes.
Nice, nice.
Yes. Oh, you saw that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. It's a flathead. I thought it was a channel. Nice, dude. It's not big, but right on the corner of the mouth, too. Death roll. It's a nice flathead. He's not done yet, so. Yes, mission accomplished. I'm gonna do this thing. When you see the bubbles like that, you know it's a flathead.
Wow.
You good?
Yep.
What we came for. See how they fight hard, dude. Right in the corner of the mouth. I think it was a flathead the first time.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Where's the net? It's okay. It's okay, I got it. He's not that big, so he's definitely doable. Yes.
Nice.
Oh.
That's still beauty.
Yeah. Look at that fish. Right on the corner of the whisker right there.
Wow.
That fish. It's so cool, dude. This is what we're after right there.
Alright, I'm gonna zoom
Holy
in.
cow. That's a beautiful fish. He's so strong. I have a cut finger too, guys, so I apologize for holding him so weird. I'm just positioning real quick here. he goes. Look at that nice fish. That's a beautiful fish. Wow. Alright, we're gonna get it back in the water. Ah, he's biting me. That means they're ready to go. So, we waited all night for this fish. And the power of this fish is just insane. It's addicting. We missed him the first time. I threw it back in there, the cut bait. He just annihilated. Holy cow. Okay, I think it's ready to go. So, Danny, I'm ready to go. It's already in the net, so one last time right here. We're just gonna, it's ready to go. Just gonna, you know, let him go. And there it goes. Boom! Never give up. That's for you, Ving.
It's all yours.
We got another one. Channel. Jeez. Defo.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
There he goes. Yeah, keep him low so you don't get off bait and stuff. Woo! Where's that net? Dude, freaking fire net. Hey! We're on the kitty cat. Just chill, buddy. On that circle hook. Ready? Release. It's actually really big too.
It's always when I got a camera on.
I fell asleep.
Oh. Who's that?
Channel.
Oh,
I fell asleep. I was sleeping and then
funny.
my rod just went down.
Lily got bit on the side before too. Yeah.
Yep. Jeez, can I hold this?
Yeah. Hopefully you got your GoPro.
Nope.
Damn.
I didn't get the hooks, but look at his big old head.
No. Yeah, look at his top. Picture of it?
Right now. I fell asleep and Mirage just went.
That's funny, dude. There's always when we don't pay attention, man. That was how we're all focused. It's so hard for the past 2 hours. We got
I
nothing.
know, right?